different strokes for different folks. An expression meaning that everyone has their own way of doing things or approaching life, often said in disagreement with how someone else has done things, but it can also be said in a neutral or even positive fashion. For example, he proposed to Susie through a casual email. Well, I guess different strokes for different folks? Hashtag personal preferences, hashtag style, hashtag own method. So I would say I use it whenever I see someone who's doing something differently, but as long as they get to that result, I was like, different strokes for different folks. Or whatever makes you happy. Let's look at the history. So this expression began life in the USA in the 1960s, the whole 60 years ago. The first person known to have used it is the boxer Muhammed Ali. Everyone knows that boxer. Explaining his knockout punches against Sonny, Liston and Floyd Patterson, he said, "I got different strokes for different folks." Well, different approaches to different fighters. It may be that Ali was repeating existing street slang, but if so, there's no surviving record. So the expression soon became commonplace in the USA, although it is rarely used anywhere else in the English-speaking world. By 1974, it had become common enough for Volkswagen to use a version of it in an cheesy advert going like this: different Volks for different folks, meaning different cars for different people.